friends, I am back today with my new trends video, and I am taking spring 2019 trends and putting my spin on them. So the first thing we have is a cardigan. Obviously cardigans are very easy to put into spring trends, so I've taken this really cute little umbrella cardigan and I've just paired it with a sort of springy dress and some Mary Jane shoes, and I like to use cardigans that have prints on them. So the next trend is crochet, and crochet is another easy one to take sort of retro because you can always wear crocheted sweaters. This is just like a loose knit striped crochet sweater. I like that it's stripes, that makes it more retro, and I liked adding the sort of pastel pants and the white shoes to keep it springy instead of making it dark for fall. So the next trend we have is black and white polka dots. Again, a very easy trend to make retro. This is just a really cute little polka dot sweater, and I've mixed it with some high-waisted retro pants, but I've also added some modern sandals just to make it a little bit more modern, but still with that retro twist. So the next trend is rainbow. Yay, who doesn't love rainbow? This dress is perfect for this theme. It's actually a comic book print, but it is very rainbowy. And I've just added the most colorful accessories I could find. The good thing about retro and colorful seasons is that it's really easy to sort of add color to your wardrobe and not take it too modern. And it's still really cute and really fun. So the next trend is Sherbert, which you've seen already in some of these trends I've shown you, and that's basically just mixing pastel colors. So I am wearing black shorts, but I'm wearing a nice pastel shirt and some pastel shoes. The lighter the pastel, the more Sherbert it is, and you can really go sort of crazy with mixing your pastels for spring. So the next trend is LeMay. It's not lame, it's LeMay. LeMay is another one that's very easy. A lot of vintage clothing comes in this sort of LeMay fabric, so I just have a LeMay dress and some matching LeMay shoes, and the only reason it looks like it says lame is because I can't put the little accent mark on there when I'm typing on my keyboard. So the last trend is ruching, and ruching is just a sort of gathering, and I have this super cute vintage dress with this super cute ruching in front of the bodice. So that's it. That's my spring trends for this season. Be sure to check out my summer trends, and if you guys have any trends you know that are coming up that you want me to cover, send them to me, and otherwise I will see you guys next time. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Be sure to check out these other videos that I have posted to see more of my wackiness, and if you want to see even more of my wackiness, be sure to subscribe for all things that are vintage and retro and general silliness.